Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fishing Life. To begin your adventure, always collect floating treasure chests. They provide essential gold for upgrades. Next, focus on finding good fishing spots that match your current boat's capabilities. Don't forget to complete daily quests, as these offer excellent rewards and help you progress quickly in the game. Once you're at a good spot, casting is simple. Hold the button for about 2 seconds, then release to cast your line. When a fish bites, a reeling minigame begins. Keep the white bar inside the slider to successfully catch it. Remember, using smaller fish as bait can significantly increase your chances of hooking bigger, more impressive fish. Upgrading your equipment is crucial for progress. Enhance your fishing rod to tackle stronger fish and lengthen your fishing line to explore the ocean's deeper, more mysterious parts. Acquiring new boats allows you to venture further from shore, opening up entirely new fishing grounds. These upgrades are key to becoming a master angler. Beyond basic fishing, unlock new characters who can increase your gold earnings by up to 40%. Don't forget to utilize your aquarium. Placing fish there generates passive income, even when you're not actively playing. Finally, always seek out new maps and regions to discover rare fish, like the majestic whale, expanding your collection and your adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.